Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel. Today I will introduce the inject. Let's take a look for this one. Neutral white box, the label, one side each piece. The product code is 04451100451. The logo, label, the packaging detail, etc. We support customized service. Two layers available. The first layer avoids some damages during the transportation, and the second layer displays VCI anti-rust bag. For this inject, the OE number is MITSUBISHI Heavy 32K6100010. High quality each items before sent out 3 times commercial test. Good after seal service 6 months. Protection cover, the QR code, the plug, inside triangle valve. Generally all you go through from here. Come out at this position. Inject body, inject nozzle. For the spare parts, generally we use Li-Wei, Shumatt, green power, etc. Hair quality, we can use original Bosch. Okay, that's all. At last, remember follow us and feel free to contact us. So much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.